Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Children, have you had your breakfast? Had your breakfast? What do you eat today? What items do you eat today? Yes. Have you done your homework? Children, have you done your homework? What we discussed in the last class? Children, what we discussed in the last class? Yes. In the last class, we have discussed about caring ourselves. Caring ourselves. Did you write and study that answers? What is the first question? What is the first question? Yes. How will you protect your teeth and gum? By brushing teeth twice a day. By brushing teeth twice a day. By washing teeth, mouth and tongue always clean. By keeping mouth, tongue and teeth always clean. Once again I say, what is the answer? Yes, by brushing teeth twice a day. Second one, by keeping the mouth, teeth and tongue always clean. Again, second one, what do you do to make our muscles strong? Yes, we perform activities such as running and playing. For making the muscles strong, we perform activities such as playing and running and do exercise regularly. Do exercise regularly. Okay. The last one, how will you keep our hands and feet clean? How will you keep your hands and feet clean? Who knows this answer? What is the answer? How will you keep your hands and feet clean? Yes. How will you keep our hands and feet clean? First point, by washing them using soap and water. Second one, we wear clean socks. We wear clean socks and by trimming nails regularly. By trimming nails regularly. Good students, did you write and study these answers? Can you read your textbook? Can you read your EVS textbook? I hope all of you are doing all the works given to you. Am I correct? Children, all students, you must read your textbook carefully. Okay.
All students stand up. Right hand, front, left hand, front, sit down. Children, next I say about clean skin free from germs. Clean skin free from germs. Do you take a bath every day? Observe your skin after playing. Sweat and dirt get attached to your skin. Sweat means wear and dirt means chilly. The dirt causes germs to grow on your skin. These germs grow very fast. They will harm your skin. It may give rise to rashes, pimples, dandruff, etc. The germs causes to rashes. Rashes means തിണർപ്പ്. പിമ്പിൾസ് മീൻസ് മുഖത്തുനിന്ന് മുഖക്കുരു. ഡാൻഡ്രഫ് മീൻസ് തലയിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന താരന്. The next I say, how will you keep our skin clean? How will you keep our skin clean? We must take bath twice a day. Wash your hair with soap or shampoo once in a week. Keep your skin clean. wear only clean clothes. Children, here are another question. What is the importance of keeping our skin clean? Keeping our skin clean is very important because it will protect our body from germs. Keeping our skin clean is very important because it will protect our body from germs. Children, now I say about clean sense organs. Students, do you know which are our sense organs? Who knows this question answer? Please answer it. Do you answer? Yes, say loudly. Yes, very good. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our sense organs. Which are our sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Students, do you know what are the functions of sense organs? What are the functions of sense organs? Yes, the sense organs help to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Means eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell and tongue help us to taste and skin we feel. Then keep our sense organs always clean. Keep our sense organs always clean. Do not rub your eyes when something falls into them. Do not rub your eyes means kannu തിരുമ്മാതെക്കുക. When something falls into them, rubbing may cause harm to your eyes. Rubbing may cause harm to your eyes. Wash your eyes with clean water. Wash your eyes with clean water. Students, now I say about how can we protect our eyes. How can we protect our eyes? Do not read in dim light. Do not read in dim light means മങ്ങിയ വെളിച്ചത്തിൽ. Do not read while lying down. Do not read while lying down. Don't watch television for a long time. Don't watch television for a long time. Keep our eyes healthy. We must keep our eyes healthy. Eyes are so precious. Eyes are so precious. The inner part of nose and ears is very soft and delicate. The inner part of nose and ears is very soft means soft, മധുരമായ, and delicate means അതിലോലമായത്. Don't put pencils or sharp things into ears or nose. Don't put pencil or sharp things into ears or nose. Clean your ears with soft earbuds. Always use clean handkerchief to clean your nose. Keep good healthy habits. Keep your body clean and healthy. Here are one question. Make suggestions to keep our sense organs clean. Eyes. Wash your eyes with clean water. Nose and ears. Clean your ears with soft earbuds. Always use clean handkerchief to clean your nose. Tongue. Keep your mouth, teeth and tongue always clean. Skin. We must take bath twice a day. Children, next I say about rest and sleep. Rest and sleep. When you engage in many activities, your brain works hard. When you engage in more activities, that time your brain works hard. Brain keeps us sensible. Brain also needs rest for effective functioning. While we sleep, our body and brain get some rest. Good sleep is very essential for health. Good sleep is very necessary for health. Children, Now I give you some homework. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, what is the importance of keeping our skin clean? Can we protect our eyes? The fourth one, what are the functions of our sense organs? Or write the functions of our sense organs. The last one, make suggestions to keep our sense organs clean. Make suggestions to keep our sense organs clean. Children, now I give let's answer. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, how do cavities form in teeth? How do cavities form in teeth? Germs like bacteria grow on the bits of food. Bacteria produce substances that cause a bad smell. These substances cause damage to teeth, making holes or cavities. Then second one, name 2 ways to keep good health. Name 2 ways to keep good health. First point, eating healthy food. Eating healthy food. Or second one, regular exercise. Then third one, list down the major health habits that we must follow in our daily life. What are the major health habits that we must follow in our daily life? Then first point, eat a good breakfast every morning. Eat a good breakfast every morning. Second one, protect our skin. Third one, drink plenty of water. Fourth one, exercise for better health. Once again I say, eat a good breakfast every morning. Protect our skin. Drink plenty of water. Exercise for better health. Write the differences between the functions of teeth and tongue. Write the differences between the functions of teeth and tongue. Teeth help us to chew the food. Teeth help us to chew the food. Tongue helps to taste and mix the food. Tongue helps to taste and mix the food. Children, let's draw the picture of eye, nose and ear in your collection book. Draw the pictures of eyes, nose and ear.
Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp or call. Do your work and send it to your classmates. We will be back with another EVS online class. Thank you.